Howdy, this is Barrie. I would like to show you my new chainsaw. Ain't he a pretty boy? I got the saw from John's Custom Saws, and man, do he know how to put together a saw. Just look at this bad boy. He gonna bite like an alligator when he hits that tree. This is Barrie. I'm down here with John. He's sharpening my chain up here. Make this thing bite like an alligator. We'll see if this will work. This is my second saw from John. I love this man. He know how to make them rumble. This thing's bite harder than a gator do.